Oh my God, I love it.
If you've ever felt like there's something missing from your life, I guarantee it is this chocolate sandwich bread. Like or subscribe to show me some love. I have more yummy recipes coming your way soon. Add milk and water to a bowl and heat until it's lukewarm, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add some melted butter, sugar, and yeast to the liquid and stir it to combine. Set this aside for 10 minutes to become active. In a large bowl, combine some flour, cocoa powder, salt, and white chocolate chips. Why not add some more chocolate at this point? You know, it's really never enough if you're a chocoholic. Pour your yeast liquid that you made before that's nice and bubbly into the dry ingredients and mix it all together with a spatula for about 5 minutes. You want it thoroughly combined, and at this stage, you should have a loose, wet dough ball. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth for 2 hours until the bread dough doubles in size. Look how beautiful this is. Degas the bread by punching it. Get out all your anger. Remove the bread dough from the bowl and place it onto a floured work surface. Now it's time to have some fun and sprinkle some extra flour on top of the bread dough and begin to knead it. You want to do something called the slap and fold method. If the bread dough is still very wet, you can sprinkle on some additional flour and knead it well until the flour is incorporated. You got to really use your judgment here. Too much flour in the bread dough will become too dense. All right, after kneading the bread dough into a ball form, put it into a loaf-shaped form to fit your bread loaf pan. Butter a bread loaf. I love these pans. You'll see so many recipes using them at Sip Bite Go. I use it for banana bread and lemon loaves as well. And so for 90 minutes, you want your chocolate loaf to stay in here. And then it's time to preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake this loaf for about 35 to 40 minutes until done. When it's all set, remove the chocolate bread loaf from the bread pan and place it on a wired rack to cool for at least 1 hour. Your house is going to smell so yummy. Slice and enjoy it however you'd like. May I recommend you make a cinnamon infused butter or some French toast. Cheers.